Yeah, what I think, okay, it's like this. They are the government. I don't think that they will make a decision that is going to affect us and the people, which I already understood what they're cutting back. So they probably has a plan in order that everybody could get paid, the ones that they're cutting back. I would think that they will be able to get their money as they expected to get. So Carnival is something that is our culture. We like it, but if it's going to cause a problem in the community, they have to think good what they're going to do. If really is this is what the people want, I don't know. Probably the majority will say they want Carnival because it's something that we always like. But in a time like this, you have to think twice and see if this is the right decision. Is what is being made. They probably had a meeting already, and most of them agree. And I think it's a done deal. They already made their mind. No matter what we say now, it's already done. They've already made up the mind, and it's gonna go ahead with it. A lot of us could kick and say we don't like it. A lot of us could say we want it, but in the end, it's the government making the decision. So we just have to complete.
No, amin como persona mesmo, amin também esse carnaval tem of no aqui, nós de tao de crise ainda nós acostumado não tinha com pero lo qual anda sendo de financiero ku arupa também do dia. 6 minutos em school, não tá indo para ali man tinha mais carnaval por war aya mais, pero a través da minha opinião, posso me conhecer para gente ku si lo que era carnaval sigue aqui sowieso by door, pero ja, través da minha opinião, minha opinião mais.
Bodo aman di carnaval?
Minda me gusto ba pe ambiente, turin de friends al drinks ko. Pero pa ami mes ba de carnaval drink ta kultura ko na minta mind me siete of no.
Minta kere ko no laga nos to recuperar back di COVID ko no sa pasading em tempo malo. Ya. Placa no ting agora aqui des amita kere laga maneira eta anto laga pa outro ano.
Meneer ta sindi toch na tani party di invertitando na placa pa grupo ng subi carnaval. Que meneer ta pensa na lumestras que placa em vez de invertir em carnaval.
Placa ko nang ke invitar em carnaval, ya não pode invitar ko pa hena nang ko aquele Central tin hopi hena tin difícil em tempo nang ki, ya. Duna nang ya yo nang ko algo em lugar de invitar em carnaval.